Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Thank you. Guys, I will introduce to you guys the binisaya na yung pamainit guys. Ito guys is this one. Corn. Yung pinaig bugas sa Bisaya. And I added milk. Hot water guys. So it's so yummy guys. Oh, I will take away this one, so it's easy to drink. Ito pala yung ginagamit namin guys na home remedy kung nalipasan ka ng gutom ba. Itong pinaig na kern, milled na corn na yan guys.